everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. I have my latest Curateur we're going to dig into. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have lots of furry sidekicks hanging out with me, so hopefully they'll be good today. Who knows? We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So Curateur is a seasonal subscription box. It does come quarterly, right? So every season. And it is through Rachel Zoe. So I think we all know her from The Real Housewives. And she has turned this into a whole shopping experience. And part of that is her seasonal box, which I feel like she does curate some high-end pieces. And I think you typically get your money's worth. So it's $125 a quarter. $450 if you do the whole year at once. See, Dexter's trying to eat my the strings on my jacket, which takes it down to $112 a box. You save $50. Typically, there is $400 worth of products in your box. And she does do customizations, which I like. So if there's like 2 pieces of jewelry, she'll let you pick one, that type of thing. So let's get into this box. And I think all the peppers are going to start to misbehave now. All right, so right on top, like this is what I see when I open it, right? And it says the Premier Shopping Membership, Curateur. And there is a paper right on top. This is going to tell me all about the items inside this box. And there were 5 options. And we have 2 customizations. All right. Oh, and there's this happy anniversary. It says, thank you for spending another year with Curateur. To show our appreciation, we've added 2,000 loyalty points to your account, which you can redeem for gifts on our rewards page. So that means you can get things from their shop. Awesome. All right. And then I also got a $40 off towards Rent the Runway. I've not tried Rent the Runway. But if you wanted to, this would be a great opportunity to try it. All right, let's dig into the pieces, or the items in here, I should say. All right, so first up, we're going to do this one. And this was a choice item. All right, so this is the Soap Ritual Set by Siblings. You could choose between the lavender or the evergreen. I chose the lavender. It says, turn your bath or shower into a luxurious ritual with this set that includes your choice of soothing lavender or revitalizing evergreen, plus a sleek cypress tray to preserve your soap beautifully between uses. So this retails for $30. And I do love that it has, so you got the bar of soap. It says relaxing body bar, and then you have the little soap tray here to put it on. That's Loki, if you hear him. That's all Loki. He and Dexter are playing with a toy, so that's how excited he gets. Willie's just Mr. Curious. Weren't you? Okay, thank you. Next up, let's see. We have Nuva Loose Radiant Renewal Serum. So this is, it's an eye serum. It says, banish tired eyes with this refreshing serum that's powered with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and green tea to soften fine lines, restore firmness, and leave you looking luminous and energized at any. It ends at any. I think it means at any time. So, okay. I have not found the perfect eye serum yet. So I'm still on the search. We'll see if this one is it. Next, what do we have? Superfood powder. So this is not one of the 5 here. So it is a curated blend of 30 fruits, berries, vegetables, and vitamins. There is a 30-stick pack in here. It looks like it says supports cardiovascular health, supports immune system function health, protects cells from oxidative stress, and supports skin health. It is by Juice Plus, 10 vegetables, 10 berries, and 10 fruits you're getting in here. So you tear open a packet, add at least 10 ounces of water, and mix it with at least 10 ounces of water, adjust to taste, stir, shake, or swirl, and then enjoy. So it's vitamin. It says vitamins here. See? Superfood power equals vitamins plus 30 fruits, berries, and veggies. 25 calories per serving. All right. This should be interesting to give a try. I've not heard of Juice Plus before, so let me know if you have. So that must have been an extra. Maybe it's an extra anniversary item, right? All right, next is the jewelry. So this is by BaubleBar, and this was a choice. So you could choose between the Pave Huggies or the Celestial Hoops. I chose the Celestial Hoops, but I went back and forth because they both looked nice. I just wasn't, it's hard to see to see them in a picture. You don't know size. It was just hard. But I decided to go for these hoops. Let me get them out of the plastic so you can see them. I thought they looked pretty. All right, so the price tag on here says $48. Let's see what they say. Yep, they say retail, $48. The retail of the other pair was $44, and these are the Pave Huggies, if you guys can see what those look like. I thought they were pretty too. I was worried they would be heavy. So if anyone got those, let me know. It says, Stargazers, this crystal-studded take on the classic hoop was made for you. Add them to any outfit for a sleek, charming statement. So here's what they look like. Pretty, right? They're lightweight. They are bigger, but they're pretty. I like those. Okay, next up, we have something from Powder Room. This is a candle. So it says, Powder Room candle, perfect for creating your own indulgent powder room moment. This hand-poured candle, customized just for Curateur members, layers sparkling champagne, juicy pear, and soft vanilla, and makes for a bright, bubbly, blissful scent that lingers for hours. And this retails for $48. Let's see what this smells like. Oh yeah, this smells really good. It smells really pretty. That should freshen up any room for sure. I have one more item, and this is the Maison Louis Marie, number 4 Bois de Belancourt Eau de Perfume. I feel like I'm not saying any of that right, but it's perfume. And it's retails for $100. It says, a cult favorite among fragrance enthusiasts, this Eau de Perfume balances classically woody notes with warm spices, creating an elegant, nuanced scent inspired by the forest, earthy, comforting, and totally transportive. I can see the word, transportive. Willie's trying to eat the box. The puppers are busy today. Let's see what this smells like. Do you like that? It smells very good. It's very light. It does smell springy. Yeah, I like this. It smells really good. Really good. Perfect. All right, and that's all my items. So I actually got 6 items, so 5 that they had on my sheet here, plus the superfoods, and 30 of them. So this will be great to try. I love that they have fruits, berries, and vegetables, so I think that should be great. But I'm going to be smelling good. My house is going to smell good between the soaps, the perfume, as well as the candle. I have some fun new earrings and some eye serum to give it a try. So hopefully this one works as I drop it. Yeah, I'm excited. Plus I can get all my vitamins. Let me know what you thought. I'll put all the information for Curateur down below. I thought this was a pretty good collection. I do love that she offers choices, and I think Rachel Zoe always pulls some of these really luxurious type brands for you to give a try and see if you like them. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Do comment down below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.